Cinco de Mayo is right around the corner, so...
We're making margs.
Yeah.
The best margs.
Yeah. Okay, so our base simple syrup for the margarita is a simple syrup, equal parts volume, water, and sugar. We're gonna do 3 cups of sugar, and yeah, 3 cups of water. Then we're gonna dissolve the sugar, bring it to a boil. Done. That's it. Let it cool.
So that's why they call it simple syrup.
Because it's that simple. Okay, to start our watermelon syrup, I'm going to get us a whole cup of sugar and a pinch of salt, 1 quart, that's 4 cups, math, of watermelon juice. This is fresh juiced. You can't juice your own. I'm sure you can find watermelon juice of some type. Now whisk that up. Get the sugar incorporated so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the burn. Ooh. Bring this over to our stove. And bring that up to a simmer, a very, very low simmer. And we're going to keep it that way until it has reduced by half. Start with a quart. We're going to end up with 2 cups. That's a pint, math. Okay, so we have our simple syrup cooled. Now we're going to add 2 cups lime juice. Bam. 2 cups lemon juice. And just under a cup of orange juice. Give it a mix. By the way, all that juice was fresh squeezed and we put it through a strainer to get out all the pulp. Fancy for reasons. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Heard.
That's the goods. Okay, now that we have this finished, I'm gonna pass it off to the wife, the mixologist. Whip up the margs.
Thank you. All right. First off, rim our glass with some salt. Lime wedge right around the rim. And some ice in. Oh, it's part of the recipe. In your shaker, you're gonna do some tequila. I just measure with my heart. I don't really measure with a shot glass. Triple sec. And the mix we just made. A little bit more. Line the shaker up. Top her off with just a little bit extra mix. Margaritas.
Margaritas. There they be.
I'll go drink it.
I'm excited. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, that's so good. It's delicious. Your heart is strong. Thanks.
And here is our chilled, reduced watermelon syrup. Ooh, nice color on there. Do your thing.
Awesome. Margs round 2. We're gonna rim our glass again. with the salt and the ice. Tequila. And triple sec. Our fresh made mix. And some of that.
That looks tantalizing.
A little bit of extra. Watermelon margs.
How'd we do?
Oh my god. That's so good. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
It's really good. Love it.
Good job. Thanks.
There's your winning margarita.
That's the one.